Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Carrd for simple LinkedIn lead pages, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to carrd.co. Once the homepage loads, find and click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose a registration method. You can either sign up with your email address or use one of the available social media accounts. If you choose email, enter your address and create a password. After filling in the details, click the Create Account button. You'll receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for it. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. Return to the Carrd website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the Carrd dashboard. Click on the New Site button to start creating your LinkedIn lead page. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates. Select a template that fits your vision for the lead page. Once selected, you'll enter the editing interface. On the left side, you'll find options to customize your page. You can change text, images, and layout to suit your needs. To add your LinkedIn link, look for the button or text element you want to modify. Click on it to open its settings. In the settings, find the option for link and enter your LinkedIn profile URL. Be sure to save your changes. Once you're satisfied with your lead page, click on the Publish button. You may need to choose a free or pro domain option. For simplicity, you can use a free Carrd domain. After selecting a domain, click Publish again. Your lead page is now live and accessible to anyone with the link. You can always return to Carrd to edit or update your page as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully created your LinkedIn lead page with Carrd. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.